Hey everyone, welcome back to day 6 of Python Mastery course. Today's session is super important. We are diving into functions in Python, the building blocks that help you write clean, reusable, and powerful codes. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own functions, use parameters, return values, default arguments, keyword arguments, and solve real practical problems. So let's get started. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform a specific task. They help make your program organized, clean, and efficient. Example of them is shown on the screen. Def greet a colon print hello. So whenever you call greet, this code runs. To create a function, we use the def keyword, the def you can see. After that, we add the function name over here, which is greet, and then we put the parenthesis required even if empty, and then we put the colon and the indentation. And for calling it, we just put the function name and then parenthesis. So greet and parenthesis. So it will print hello. But if we comment this out, basically, if we don't put the if we don't call it, then the code will run and stop. But we won't see hello and then the exclamation mark over there. Parameters. Functions take inputs. Calling, let's say, okay, so well, we want it to be more user specific. We give a variable name over here, which is name. Name equal to input bracket. Please enter your name. We save it, and over here we put the name. So we put the name variable, and over here we put hello, comma name. Oh, sorry. We also have to pass the variable over here, name. Exactly. Please enter your name. So let's say bye bye. So it will print hello bye bye. So this is where the parentheses get used for parameters and to return value. A return value, sometimes instead of printing, we want the function to give back a value. So I'll just create a new function over here. Def add colon. Sorry, I have to put parentheses. And over here we give the two parameters a comma b, and down we give return a times b. We save the file. We go down. Using it, we can say result equal to add parenthesis 5 comma let's say 10, enter. After that we can print the result. Exactly. So 5 times 10 is equal to 50. Now return is very important because it makes the functions flexible. We can store results, we can reuse the output, and well, we can actually make the code more readable and much better. Because next time we can also write result equal to add bracket 10 comma 7, and then we can print result. Now first time we'll see 50, and second time we'll see 70. 50 comma 70, exactly. Now there are some default arguments. You can provide default values to the parameters, like uh, let's define another one. Def greet Okay, greet bracket name equal to user colon print bracket hello exclamation mark comma name. We'll actually put greet one and name one. Copy paste this line over here. Copy paste name one. Now we call it using. Okay, we can actually like about this line. Greet one. Oh, sorry. Greet one bracket. Let's say the name is Yatharth. And next time we call it, we can put the name as just nothing. We can leave it blank. Save it. We run the file. The error in line 16. Exactly. So it worked this time. It's just that last time it didn't work because the Python interpreter just got confused. Because first time I put greet one is Yatharth, and second time I put greet nothing in the greet part. That's why. So it's great for optional inputs and giving us the specified outputs. Now we can do keyword arguments as well. Like we'll define another function def. Let's say details bracket name comma age colon. Let's say oh, print name comma double quotes is comma age comma double quotes years old. And over here, for calling it, we put details, the parentheses, age equal to 25, comma, name equal to Yatharth. We save the file, we run it once again. Oh wait, the error came once again. Oh, so now we'll just comment this part out. Hello, Yatharth is 25 years old. This increases clarity and avoids parameters mix up. So you can use this more frequently compared to the other one. Then we can actually do some practical problems. For example, problem one, we can create a function to calculate the area of a circle. Problem, oh, sorry, hashtag problem one. So let's say def area underscore circle. We put the parentheses, we put the radius colon, we enter. Now we over here we put the return function return uh, the pi. So it's going to be 3.14156 star radius no, star radius. We put Fourier print bracket area underscore circle bracket 7.7 slash. Okay, slash is not required. Let me just put 7. 1 5. Okay, sorry, I forgot to put a decimal point over here. 3.1. 153.93644, which you can even cross verify with the internet. So excellent. Now now you have to you have to create a function that checks if a number is even or odd. And like always, you can find the solution to it on my GitHub page. So, great work completing day 6. Today you learned about what functions are, how to define them and call functions, parameters and return values, default and keyword arguments, solve real practical problems. So make sure to practice by writing your own functions. Tomorrow we move to day 7, lists and list methods. So don't miss it. If you're enjoying